How to make 2025 the best year of your life. First and foremost, you have to get connected with your spirit because without it, nothing else matters. You can have all the money you want, everything, all the worldly things you want. If you have no peace, if you lack connection with your spirit, nothing else matters. It's not going to be worth it. You can be miserable, you can be full of negativity. So, first and foremost, you need to have a strong connection with your God, with your spirit. Like I say all the time, I don't have no beliefs. I know my divine is real. Do you know something is real or you don't? But whatever God that you believe in personally, you have to get connected to it. You have to have a strong connection, a strong relationship with your God, with your spirit. You need to meditate daily. You need meditation daily. You need to meditate every single day. Do it when you're in the shower, mindfulness while you're driving, whatever. Another thing you need to do, stop procrastinating your goals. Stop waiting for this and waiting for that. Stop talking about it but not doing it. Just do it. That's all you have to do. Literally just do it. Like, I've been got to the point in my life where I don't just sit around and it's only a certain amount of time before you start acting on it. It's like, cool, you come up with an idea. You don't have to sit around planning it for years. Just go ahead and act on it. Go ahead and start working on it. You're wasting time. You're just sitting around talking about not acting on it, making ideas, and when you gonna act on it? And then you spend all that time doing all that, you never act on it and you never get nowhere. Just do it, literally. Just take action and watch how your life start changing. Take action and watch how your life start getting better, start going in that direction. Another thing, detach from the world. If you want this to be the best year of your life, you have to change everything you've been doing for the past years of your life. You have to change everything you've been doing in the past years of your life. You have to do the opposite of everything that was bad. If you was too nice to people, you have to stop, cut it out now. You should have been stopped, but since we're talking about making this the best year of your life, you cut it out now. Don't do it no more. If you did too many favors for people, you're always looking out for people. Stop it now. Don't wait. You know what I'm saying? It's only gonna get worse. Another big one is focus. You have to have focus. You have to be 100% dedicated to your life and your progression. 100%. You can't afford to have distractions. You can't afford to be focused on this, focus on that, focus on nothing else besides your life. Every day you wake up, from wake to sleep, every day you wake up from wake to sleep needs to be time spent working on your goals, time spent working on your life. Whatever it is you need to work on in your life, only you know. So work on it every single day, no days off. If you gotta sell your TV, the focus, get rid of that motherfucker. If you gotta delete your social media, delete it. If you gotta cut people off, the focus, cut them off. You gotta distance yourself. Whatever you gotta do, do it. If you gotta punish yourself and force yourself to focus, then that's what you need to do. Because if you, when I say punish yourself, I'm talking about temporary for you, as in you gotta stop doing some shit you like doing because you gotta grow. But in the long run, it's not punishment. You punishing yourself by staying in that position that you're in right now. You know what I'm saying? That's consecutive punishment for you. So you have to focus. Get ready. The time is now. Ain't no more time to be wasted. How many times have you said, oh, this year gonna be my year, and it's never your year? Why is that? Because you just talking. You're not actually trusting what you're saying. You're not taking action on what you're saying. You're just talking because it sounds good. So many people, everybody do that every single year. I see the same shit every year. You know what I'm saying? Every single year. It's like, oh, I thought you were gonna do that last year. Wait, what about you before that? Oh, but it's this year. Okay. Nah, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, oh, 2019 gonna be my best year. 2020 gonna be my best year. 2021 gonna be my best year. Say that every single year, and it's never their best year. They still always going through the same shit they've been going through all these years. You know why? Because the are just years are not real. Years is just something that's put here. But in reality, you still that same person you was yesterday in 2024. You still that same person you was. So years don't change who you are. You have to change who you are. You can't just think because it's a new year, you about to just be a better person. You about to just become this amazing, focused, peaceful person with a better life just because a new year came around. It's not gonna happen. You still doing the same shit you've been doing for the past 10 years, 5 years. Of course your life gonna be the same. You have to change. Find something that brings you peace that nobody else know about. Nobody else can tag along with you. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's walking in a park in nature, don't bring nobody else with you. That's you time. Whether it's driving, you take drives. You like driving, chilling, vibing, looking out the window. That's you time. Don't bring nobody else with you. You know, no meditation. If you like journaling, you like writing. Don't be on your phone. Turn your phone on. Make your own personal do not disturb on your. If you got an iPhone, you can make your own personal do not disturb. You know what I'm saying? You can customize your own do not disturb settings and set it to where they don't even know that you. Cause you know how do not disturb. They'll have like notificate notify anyway. Like people basically know you got your shit on do not disturb, but you can set it to where they don't even see you got it on do not disturb. You know what I'm saying? Not like I ain't never understand that, bro. I'm like, so people can see I got on do not disturb, and then they can hit notify anyway. That delete the purpose. You know what I'm saying? But you can customize your own personal do not disturb. So you need to go do that. Turn it on. You won't be bothered. And shit, sometimes you can leave your phone home if you don't need your phone on you. You know what I'm saying? Shit, even if it's home, you don't gotta be on it. You ain't gotta have it around you. Leave it in another room. Focus. Clean up. That's gonna clear your head. There's so many things that'll clear your head, clear your mind. You just have to take action. You have to separate yourself from all these other things. That's what you have to do. 2025 is only gonna be the best year of your life if you make this. If you become the best person you ever been in your life. If you become the best version of yourself you ever been in your life. You have to become your best self. That's the only way that's gonna work. If you think you're finna stay the same person you been all the years and your life gonna be good this year, it's not gonna happen. Like I said, take action, man. That's the only way 2025 gonna be the best year of your life. And this might be the last thing. You have to hustle. You have to have that hustle inside you. You have to grind. You have to have hustle inside you. You have to wake up every single day and get it. Get to it. Even if you working a job, when you get off work, you need to be doing another job. That's what you have to do. I'm speaking on things that I done did when I was working for other people. It never stopped. You know what I'm saying? Like it never stops, man. You have to go the extra mile. When you feel like you too tired to do anything else, you just want to lay around and watch Netflix and scroll on your phone. Use that last little bit of energy that you got. Even if you ain't got no energy, you better make some. You can, or do it tired, do it without energy. I done did plenty things without energy. I'm just doing it on autopilot because I know that's what I have to do. So if let's say you stuck at a job and you want to leave that job, or you want to end up working for yourself. Or even if you don't want to work for yourself, let's say you somebody that don't care about having a job for somebody else. Though your whole life you want to just work for somebody else. But your life is bad. You gotta live paycheck to paycheck. Even if you don't want to be your own boss, you still have to find something that's gonna bring you money on your own, the fast way. Money that's gonna bring you money. Money that's gonna bring profit, and I mean the income that's gonna bring in money instantly, right then. You know. So you have to have that hustle inside you. You have to hustle. Get up off your ass every single day and work. Work every single day. Spiritually, financially, physically. Go to the gym. Go jogging. Do whatever. Just make sure you're doing some type of cardio. Make sure you keeping your stamina up. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you in shape. Just take care of yourself all around the board. Learn to be alone. I meet so many people. So many people meet me and they have problems with being alone. I be like, man, what? Like, man, it's crazy. Everybody, like 99% of this world struggle with being alone. They are lonely. They don't know themselves. They hate being alone. Like, I talk to so many people. Like, almost everybody I ever met and came in contact with struggles with being alone. They hate being alone. And I don't see how. I mean, I see how. But it's like, so you don't want to fix that problem. You want to hate being with yourself. You want to hate being with your own energy. You want to hate being with your own spirit. You don't want to work on it. You don't want to figure out how to love and enjoy being by yourself. Because that's all you got is yourself. So the only person that you got, you hate. I don't know what to tell you, man. That's why you're gonna have a miserable life. You never alone. You always have your spirit. You always have your God. You are never alone. Why you think when other people get around you, you still feel lonely when you're around a bunch of people? Because you're spiritually empty. You have no spiritual connection. That's why you're still empty. If you want to make 2025 the best year of your life, you need to follow everything I'm talking about in this video and watch your life change, plus more. I could talk about this all day. So many things you can do. But you got to actually take action, man. You got to take action. Stop sitting around complaining. Stop sitting around talking about what you want to do with your life. Stop sitting around talking about what you're going to do with your life. You're not actually doing it. Just do it. That's a big problem, man. It's easy for me because I learned to just do things, but it's a big problem for people today. A lot of people just like talking, like, you know what I'm saying? Just like talking about shit. Like, people would be like, I remember back when I used to be on the internet. This is way before I started my YouTube. I really supposed to start my YouTube in 2020. But I just ain't do it. I won't fucking with it. I won't really worry about it. But yeah, man, I used to be on the internet and I see so many people, like it'll be a post of somebody, a YouTuber going viral or some shit. And so many people would be sharing it and be like, I want to start a YouTube so bad. I want to start a YouTube channel. I want to start a YouTube channel. What do you mean you want to start one? Just do it, bro. That shit free. Go sign up, man. Post videos. You know what I'm saying? If making a YouTube, if you procrastinate something little as making a YouTube channel and you really want to do it, you ain't never gonna get nowhere in life, man. Cause this takes no effort. Making a YouTube channel takes no effort, man. You create your account, post videos. Like, literally, you can do all that in 5 minutes. So if you can't do something as little as this, what makes you think you can achieve the bigger goals you want? When you can't do something that's free, you can't even do a goal of yours that's free, and you think you can go attain the other goals that take more effort. You're not gonna be able to. You're too weak-minded, man. Take action for your life. Stop saying what you want to do. Stop saying what you gonna do, but you never do. I'm talking to you that's listening to this right now. I'm talking to you because you know it's hitting you. And above all, the first thing I said, you have to have a connection with your spirit, connection with your God. You have to live a righteous life, you know, moral. You have to live by code, the code, the only code there is that matters in this world. And that's the code of God, the righteous code. Having integrity, being honest, being true to yourself, spreading positivity and peace through the world, spreading wisdom, spreading understanding, giving wisdom and knowledge to those that seek it. You know, getting to know yourself, loving yourself, putting yourself first. Shit, start reading. Ain't nothing wrong with reading, man. Ain't nothing wrong with reading. I'm not a Christian. I'm not Islam. I'm not Muslim. I'm not Buddhist. You know what I'm saying? I'm none of that. But if something is true, something is true. You know, I started reading the book of Proverbs. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to BOA. I started reading the book of Proverbs. I don't have a religion. I just know that there is a God. And when you being honest with yourself, I'm not actually not even gonna dig into all that. This ain't about that. But yeah, man, focus, man. Do what's right for your life. Do what's best for your life. Get your life together. Get your life in order, man.